guys, it's Carly with Builds by Carly. We're here on a cold and snowy day in Gatlinburg, Tennessee, but it's not going to stop us from showing you this stunning Lily model tiny house. This house features our signature treehouse style foundation, elevated for scenic views. You may have noticed this landing coming off of the stairwell. We intentionally set this up for future amenity use. Now welcome inside where it's warm and cozy. To start off our tour, let's take a look around the kitchen. With tiny houses, everything has to be built with intention. Small details have a big impact. For example, extending out the countertop allowed for the perfect spot for bar stool seating. Now to one of my personal favorite design details, this black stainless steel sink, which pairs perfectly with this black leathered countertop. One of the main kitchen highlights is the refrigerator. We all know a true mini fridge just doesn't quite do the job, so we took it a step up. Welcome to your bedroom and living room, all in one. Keeping an open layout like this really helps with flexibility when it comes to furnishing the space. At this location, we've added these decorative wall sconces, which are spaced for a king-size bed. And yes, a king-size bed does fit here. Paired perfectly with a king-size bed, you have the ambiance of this recessed fireplace. Directly across from the bedroom, we have our electric thoughtfully planned out, so you can easily incorporate a flat screen TV with no clutter, no cords, and no mess. Another unique detail we did with this house is the whitewash finish on our tongue and groove walls. I just love the way that it came out. It really helps soften the tones in here. And a staple we have in all of our tiny homes is a full-size bathroom. No need to feel cramped here. We even added this niche into our full tiled shower to give you extra storage. Speaking of storage, we made the dead space work for us instead of against us with this multi-shelf cubby. And that also goes for our LED mirror that doubles as a medicine cabinet. Welcome to the scenic overlook, which is literally 1 minute from downtown Gatlinburg, but still features privacy and seclusion. On these winter Gatlinburg nights, what more could you want than to relax in a hot tub? Which is why we make our houses fully hot tub ready. We supply a 220 volt electrical connection and build the hot tub fall guard. I love that the Lily model is customizable. No two builds are the same. If you'd like to see more of our custom designed tiny houses, like and subscribe.